Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Marinade Finance. This is a big Solana airdrop, so Solana has been pumping like crazy, the same all the protocols and airdrops, and this is the best TVL project in Solana ecosystem, so this could be very big. Like always in my videos, we are going to cover what Marinade Finance is, what are the best things about this protocol, and step by step on how you can participate and doing the things for this possible airdrop. This is a very important project. Many people with JITO just depositing and staking some SOL here earn thousands of dollars. I am talking about $10,000. Many people, and we discussed JITO in my private Discord. So if you are missing all these amazing airdrops, you need to be in my private Discord. Check the subscriptions at cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions, because many airdrops we are covering only in my Discord and not in YouTube, because I don't have time for the thousands of airdrops that you can apply right now. So if you don't want to miss those $1,000 airdrops, go to my subscriptions on my Discord, and also you can take advantage of my application. This is an airdrop application that I created to allow you register and apply to all these airdrops that I cover and your custom airdrops too. So check my subscription so you stop missing these amazing airdrops. So yeah, JITO was incredible. Many people did thousands of dollars with it. Now we want to continue this trend on Solana. So Marinade could be one of those great options. This is Marinade Finance, which is a staking protocol built on Solana. You can optimize your SOL stake using Marinade's automated staking strategy designed by the core team. Users of Marinade can choose between staking natively or liquid stake SOL for MSOL, a liquid staking token. Either option stakes your SOL with the same set of high-performance validators. Right now, this is the major Solana TVL project. You can check that easily going to the DeFi Llama page. You can see Marinade Finance. They have 736 million in TVL. The next one beside that is JITO ecosystem. And in third place, you can see Marinade. So we covered Marinade. I launched this video December 2, 2 Solana airdrops to apply. In that video, I covered Marinade and Drift. There are two protocols in Solana that didn't launch the token yet. So go check this video that is appearing right now, Solana Airdrop to do. So you can see here, I have been covering also Solana Airdrops. And right now we are covering Marinade Finance, which is the first one on terms of TVL. That means that this is the most trusted protocol right now on this ecosystem. Another thing with this is that the token is live, guys. So we are not waiting here for a token launch. Marinade is already in the crypto space. The proprietary token Marinade is at position 389 with 34 cents per token. There's 1 billion tokens. But you can see that Marinade staked SOL, so MSOL, is at position 123. This is the value mimicking SOL token. So MSOL has been growing a lot. Right now, rank 123. So this is very important to take note that the progress of the project. There is no airdrop announced, so we are speculating here. But right now they have an active earn promotion. So the first thing that we need to do here is follow them on the social. Here you have the link tree. So from there you can go to all the official links, even the Discord and information about Marinade and many other things. In terms of Twitter accounts, 41k, so it's not a big community behind right now according to that amount of followers. So maybe an airdrop from here could be also worth it a lot. The project Marinade Finance, you can read here all the information. Right now it's taking at a 9% APY, so it's very interesting. Now step 2 is go to Marinade protocol and stake SOL. So here you have a link to go to the Marinade protocol finance. So once you are there in the app, you are going to see this. You have the staking, the liquidity, and the earn sections. So this earn section is stake and refer to earn NDE tokens. And here you can stake SOL and you can refer. So this means that we can see step 3, which is the things that you want to do for this airdrop are stake your SOL tokens, add liquidity, so deposit SOL to get MSOL, and share your link. You have a refer link here when you're depositing. So doing these 3 steps, you can earn MNDE tokens when the 3 months of promotion ends the 31 of December. So they have this promotion besides the airdrop speculation that we are doing. All the details of this program and how the points work can be found here on the step 4 on this link. So here the first thing that you want to do is you can get and copy your referral link and you can use it. So here you can see how this works, and it's going to reward both the people that use it and yourself. And here you can see your stake SOL. Here are my rewards on MNDE token according of the amount of tokens that I deposit here. So the first thing, again, go to stake more SOL in my case because I already stake a little bit. So here you can stake your SOL. Remember to be connected. I am using Phantom. You need to have SOL tokens. And here you can see your rewards, and you can claim in 18 days. So this is ending the 31 of December. So take advantage of that. And you also can stake MSOL. So this is SOL and MSOL. So on MSOL, I already have SOL here, and in SOL, you can go here and stake more, or you can go here and SOL and start earning in SOL tokens itself. And here you can select automated between 100 validators, or you can choose your validator. So both options are valid in order to do these stakes. But remember, you need to do that, get in both things. So after you stake and all that, you can go to the liquidity and add the liquidity into the protocol here. My balance is 0.44 LP. So this is $35 only for the purpose of the video. So in this case, you will click on add and you will deposit the amount that you have after your deposit that you did before. After some time you can withdraw, but I recommend you to withdraw after the earn of the points and the possible airdrop. Here on these 3 dots, you can see validators, check about the token and go to the documentation. On the token, you can see the voting system. So all the questions regarding that are in that section. And in the step 4 of this tutorial, you have all the information on the Marinade Earn. This was 3 months, and this is the last month of this promotion on this program. So check it in order to participate and get some traction on Marinade. But doing all this, we are also speculating on participating on a possible future airdrop. And if you have more doubts, you can check the documentation. There are many information about there and the delegation systems. So check everything about Marinade, participate, stake SOL, stake and deposit your liquidity from MSOL, and also share your referral link. You will be participating on this project. That will be all for this video. Remember to check our 2 Solana airdrops now from beginning of December. You still can participate on those 2 that probably could get an airdrop from there. And don't forget to check my subscriptions if you are tired to miss the most amazing airdrops in the crypto space. That will be all. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.